Today, I'm going to be sharing about problem solving again. As I was saying yesterday, we need to be able to solve problems in life so that we can be able to live an intentional life. You know, I read today that Johnson Maxwell said that 90% of our problems is how we react. 10% is how we face it. 10% is how we face it. 90% is how we react. Many people like to react on our problems. They like to react on things that they can just resolve. Instead of reacting, we need to resolve our problems because 10% of the things of our problems that we face is is what we can resolve basically. We can resolve our problems. Well, how can we do that? Is the question. He says always come up with more than one solution. When you come up with more than one solution, you can solve the problem easily. When you have more than one way of doing something, you're more likely to do it. You're more likely to do it better because, as I said, two brains is work better than one. So what John C. Maxwell says is, yesterday's approach, settle for the first solution, and today's approach, pursue multiple solutions. That's the thing I want you to do. I want you to do. I want you to apply this. I want you to do this. Settle for the first solution, which was yesterday. Today I want you to pursue multiple solutions. When you have plan A, plan B, and plan C, and etc. When you have multiple plans, you can do anything in life. When you when when you pursue multiple solutions, you have many solutions. You don't just have one. Like you can. You don't just depend on one solution. You have more than one solution, and that solution will be able to resolve the problem. Yesterday's approach is focus on only the problem. Today's approach, explore all opportunities. What does that mean? Focus on only the problem, explore all opportunities. You need to know that yesterday you were focusing on the problem, yeah? And today you're going to explore all the opportunity. There's a way of seeing things. Tony Robbins says that what we focus on is where our energy goes, and that's true. When you focus on the problem, the problem is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. When you focus on all the opportunities that you can get from that problem, that's when you can be living an intentional life. You can retrieve golden opportunities. And that's the thing. Always come up with more than one solution. To be able to avoid problems, to be able to avoid things that will put you down, you need to always come up with more than one solution. When you come up with more than one solution, it makes you better as a person. You have a plan, you have a goal, set. So you always have an idea. You're always constantly having an idea, constantly having a plan. So that's what today's sharing is about.